Hi everybody, it's Joe Jurek and welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Investing Adventures. Where the heck am I at today again? Maui, Hawaii. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it gorgeous? If you've never been here, I'd highly recommend you come here because let me tell you, it is just so relaxing, it is so picturesque, and it's a way to build your dreams as a real estate investor. What I want to tell you today is it can be discouraging with real estate. It can be frustrating. People don't understand why you're doing what you want to do, but you know why, and stick to it, okay? Don't get frustrated with it because like anything in life, it may take time, energy, and effort to do it. And what I want to tell you is don't get distracted by other people. When I first started, a lot of people were negative. They're like, oh, that's not going to work, and you think you're going to be, so successful with that, and, what makes you think that you can do it? And what I basically looked at was this, okay? I didn't like the situation that I was in. I worked hard, but I wasn't working smart. And what I found with real estate was I could work hard, I could work smart, and I could actually get paid what I was worth. Sometimes for an employer, you can work for an employer. A lot of great employers out there treat, employees very well, but sometimes you're capped. And, it's up for review time, and they might say, okay, we'd love to give you 1% or 3%, even though you feel like you're worth 5% or 10%. In real estate, get paid what you're worth. How about that? Okay? So until next time, believe and achieve. Go make it a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.